All right, so today I'm gonna be flying a spot that I have been eyeballing for a little while. I've seen this on a couple of videos, and for a long time I didn't know where it was, but I watched the video back really slow, and I was able to catch an address. So we're gonna go give it a go today because it's a spot that is probably one of the flowiest and coolest spots near Tampa. Let's get started. What's that? What'd you say?
That guy kept saying you gotta go. I thought it was your friend joking.
No, I ain't like that.
Where he at? He's walking straight down Reserve 3. He's over there.
Oh, okay. You getting in the car?
What?
You getting in the car?
He just kept saying you gotta go, then he turned around.
Yeah, I kept hearing him say you gotta go, but I didn't see where he was. Maybe he's calling the cops or something. Fuck me.
Cops doing anything?
What are they gonna do? They'll ask you to leave. I mean, what's that? We should probably go. So,
I'm down, so I was just gonna hang out for 30 minutes, but I'm leaving.
Yeah, there's a coffee shop around the corner. I'm gonna snag a cup of coffee and wait for Chris now that this spot's burnt. Well, that's it. 2 quads completely destroyed. Completely destroyed 2 quads at some pretty awesome locations. Sort of pissed, but there's nothing I can do about it. So let's just go back home and rebuild. I am a little annoyed that the motors, my favorite motors, are not in stock anywhere. I can't get them, and Kebab is saying that they're not gonna be in stock for like 2 months. So now it sort of leaves me looking for a new motor. So I guess that's what I'll do. I'll just go to the Umagat Hex motors. Maybe they're gonna be a little bit more durable, give me sort of what I want, but really disappointing today. Got kicked out of one location, found a second awesome location, and then I destroy it like on the second pass. That's just my luck. Alrighty, that's gonna do it for today. Hope you enjoyed. I know I sure didn't. Stay original. Another fucking motor. Fucking done. Done. That's 3 motors in one day. Unbelievable.